Now let's talk about the iPad and editing PDF on it. If you are new to the Foxtecc channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because you don't want to miss videos like this one. Essentially, what we need to do is to use some sort of PDF editor where you can embed the link to some other website, platform, whatever, right? So how can you make a PDF open a link on the iPad? Well, there are some tools which you can use on your iPad which have that functionality, right? So there are apps like PDF Expert, for example, which is a good tool because it has a lot of features, including the ability to add links to PDF, right? So there is the PDF Expert and PDF Viewer, and you can just start that application, start a brand new PDF, or edit an existing one, and you'll be able to insert a link into some words, or you'll be able to paste it just as a link, and it will then be clickable inside of your PDF. Keep in mind, though, that these apps are free to download, but often require you to go with a subscription, especially if you want to do these kind of advanced features. So there might be a free trial, but it depends on how you want to do this, right? Perhaps you may not be fully satisfied with this approach. Keep in mind, however, that there are some other built-in apps. For example, you can explore the Apple Pages app, which is like a built-in text editor from Apple, where as well you can go ahead and just like paste some of the different things. For example, paste a link, and then when you click on share and export it, you can export it as a PDF, and that PDF will perhaps have the ability to embed the link as well. So you need to play around with that to see if it matches your needs or preferences, but basically that is gonna be it from me. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if you found this tutorial helpful. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos.